Hello everyone, how are you all doing? And a very warm welcome to all of you in our today's video. Today in our A to Z series, we have the alphabet V. And from V, we'll be talking about all kind of vitamin deficiencies. If you are having any vitamin deficiencies, like if you are having vitamin A deficiency, vitamin B12 deficiencies, vitamin D deficiency, or any other kind of vitamin deficiency, let us discuss one single acupressure point which will help to overcome that. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please do subscribe and do share this video with others so that they can also get this informative video. And if you want to join our Telegram group or our WhatsApp group, then do click on the link in the description box. And as you all know that we have started to share different kind of posts which are related to health on our WhatsApp channel also. Okay, like posts related to your what we can say mudras, acupressure points, switch words, and different health tips and all that. If you want to see them also, then you can definitely join our WhatsApp channel. Okay. So this point will only help when you are having good diet. Okay, you are eating everything. You are eating all kind of nutrients. You are eating vitamin A rich food or all different kind of vitamin rich foods. But still, if you are having vitamin deficiencies in your body, then only this point will help. Okay, so basically what happens whenever you are having deficiencies and but you are eating everything, so what the main cause of that will be that your intestines are not absorbing food properly. They are not what we can say, they are not taking in the nutrients properly, because of which you may have this deficiency issue. So let us discuss one point for that. So our point is on the front side of our hand. I'm so sorry because of this, all this drawings drawn on my hand, but please do understand. Between our middle and ring finger, if we go straight down, and you can see these two lifelines, just in between them, in the center, we have the point. This point is called as CV6, conceptive vessel 6. So what we will do, we will use a jimmy. We'll stimulate this point for 30 seconds to 1 minute, and then we'll apply one buhl magnet on this point. If you're not having the magnets and if you want to buy them, you can see our contact details. You can WhatsApp us and buy magnets for yourself. So what over here, what we will do, we'll apply one buhl magnet in such a way that the yellow side of the buhl magnet will touch the skin, and from the white side and from the outside you will see the white side of the magnet. We need to increase, or we need to tone the energy of this point. So we'll apply one buhl magnet in this position like this. The point is located on both the hands, so do the treatment on both the hands. We need to apply the magnets for 8 to 10 hours, and whenever we remove it, we need to throw the paper tape away and bring both the magnets together so that they can energize themselves and you can use it again. You need to do this treatment daily, then only you will get good results. So do it daily for 8 to 10 hours and you will definitely see tremendous results. So that's all for the day. Thank you so much everyone. If you're liking our A to Z series, then please to subscribe our channel.